Oldham Ramblers footpath clearance team were out again on the 2nd of November to clear footpath 242, the riverside footpath in Uppermill. Many thanks to the Wicks driver who managed to drop the pea gravel 3 huge bags down onto the riverside footpath. They managed to install perforated land drains in some sections along this footpath. This is our last footpath works for 2021, and I want to say a big thank you to all the volunteers that worked so hard on this particular footpath. Hope to see you all again next year when we restart in April 2022. It was such hard work and so muddy.